YouTube channel. If today is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Okay, hello guys. Today I will be teaching you how to make pepper soup. This is river fish. This is crayfish and pepper. I have the spice here for pepper soup. So I have this alligator pepper here. I have to put it here because I don't want to grind it. So I have Maggi cube. Here are tomatoes. Okay, tomatoes is already here in the fire. Now I will be putting this one by one. First of all, I have to add the fish inside the tomatoes. Okay guys, now I'll be adding crayfish and pepper. Now I will be adding the spice. I have to wash my alligator pepper because you know I always do that before. Okay, this is the alligator pepper inside. Now I will be adding one Maggi cube. This is African pepper soup. So now I will be turning it. I have to add a little salt now. So I have salt here. Okay, now I have to turn it. This my soup is so yummy. Wow. So I have to leave it for at least for 20 minutes for everything to get done. Turn it already. So yeah. If you want to put Maggi, but I just use one because I don't like a lot, so I use one. If you want to use another Maggi, for you can use 1.5 or 2. So for me that one is okay for me. I just need 1 cube of Maggi. So you see how it look like. I put the alligator pepper. Sometimes you grind, if you want you can grind your own alligator pepper, but I don't like to grind my own. So sometimes I put it, sometimes I grind it. For today I am putting it like this because I just want everything to be you understand what I mean? So see how my pepper soup like now. So it's done. In the next 20 minutes everything will be ready. So now I have to cover the pot. Just give me a little time to cover the pot. This I have to make. Do you know what I will use to eat this pepper soup? I'm going to use starch. I have to make sauce to eat the pepper soup. Now I have to cover it for a little while. See you guys later. Okay guys, I have to turn it a little bit now. I feel like eating it already. The scent alone. Oh, mamma mia. You guys are missing. Wow. Okay guys, like I told you before that I will be using starch to eat the pepper soup. Here is my starch. I have to turn it now. So I have to turn it like this until everything is This is how I make my starch. You can see now it's thick. Now it's light already, but now it's getting thick. You can see it. So I have to turn and turn and turn until the starch is thick. It's long I'm not eating it. I'm so happy to eat it today, you know. Wow. I have to add a little bit water because it's too strong and thick. Because I don't like the strong one, so I have to add a little bit water. That is how I love my pepper soup. Wow, I feel like eating it already. This food is going to be yummy. Wow. It smells so nice, you know. Guys, you are missing. Wow. Okay, guys, the food is ready. You see the outcoming of my starch and pepper soup. Join me. Thank you guys for joining me. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have subscribed before. Thank you and God bless you. See you for my next video. Bye.